Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use N8N for your data. So I am going to, there is a create credential. You can also create data table here, and then I'm just going to type random because I don't know what to rename it now. Select it, and here is where you can basically create data in N8N. You can add rows here. You can add a column here as well. Enter column name, for instance, data A. Oh, why does that always happen? Okay, I'm just going to type in fruit. Type their string, number, boolean, date, time. Let's do string, and then add column there. And then you can add another column, another row here. You can kind of adjust the text, I think, here. What else can you add? I feel like that's pretty much it, really, on how you can create a data table in N8N. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.